Hello, I'm Shamin Singleton, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this very cute flower. Now let's begin with a magic ring. After you make this magic ring, insert your hook in the magic ring. Now chain 3. Now yarn over, insert your hook in a magic ring and pull up a loop to the size of your 3 chains. Repeat this 4 times. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook and make a slip stitch. Chain 3 and insert your hook in between the 3 chains and make a double crochet. Once again repeat the same process. And now for the last time, once again make a double crochet. Now chain 3 and insert your hook in the magic ring and make a slip stitch. Now repeat the same process. Chain 3, insert your hook in a magic ring and pull up a loop to the size of your 3 chains. So that's 1. Now 2, 3, and the last one 4. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops on your crochet hook. And now make a slip stitch. Now once again chain 3. Now after completing these 3 chains, pull up this loop of chain. Now you have to make 3 double crochets in this space. Now after completing the 3 double crochet, chain 3 and once again insert your hook in a magic ring and make a slip stitch. Keep repeating this process. You can repeat this process 5 times for 5 petals and 6 times for 6 petals. So this is all you have to keep doing to get this beautiful flower. We can make this flower for headband or a bracelet, but you will have to use a different kind of yarn. I'm using synthetic wool, and for different projects you can try out different yarn according to your taste and requirements. I'll be making just 5 petals because I don't want this tutorial to get any longer. I guess that would be really boring. So, to make it short, we will just go with 5 petals. But honestly, 6 petals looks absolutely beautiful. So, try it with 6 petals. I will be using this pattern once again, but with a different yarn. I will be using silk thread to make a bracelet, and I'm excited about showing you the result. Try to make it for a clip for kids or a brooch or anything. Now we're coming to the end of this tutorial, and this very cute and beautiful flower is ready. Now see how beautiful this looks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected and I will meet you in the next tutorial. Have a great day ahead. Bye for now.